In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Capital.com price alerts. Price alerts are a simple way to stay on top of the markets without staring at charts all day. Once set, they quietly monitor your chosen price level and notify you the moment the market reaches it, so you can act quickly and confidently. Start by opening the asset you want to track. Log into your Capital.com account on the web or mobile app using a secure connection. After you're in, use the search bar to find the asset you care about. This could be gold, BTC, or a currency pair like EUR/USD. Type the name or symbol, select the correct result, and open the asset's chart or its main market page. Either view works. The chart is great if you want visual context, while the market page gives you key details at a glance. Take a second here to confirm you've got the exact instrument you want, since similar names can refer to different contracts or markets. With the asset open, it's time to add your alert. Look for the Add Alert button or the small bell icon. This is typically located near the price or at the top of the chart. Click it once to bring up the Alert Setup window. This is where you define the price level you want to be notified about. Enter your target price carefully, matching the correct number of decimals for the asset. A helpful tip is to check the current price on the screen and decide how far above or below it you want your alert to trigger based on your trading plan. If you're using the chart, you can glance at recent highs, lows, or key levels to choose a meaningful number. After you've entered the target price, click Set Alert. That's it. The alert is now armed. From this point, Capital.com will watch that price for you and let you know when it's reached or crossed, according to how alerts function for that market. You'll see a confirmation on the platform, and when the level is hit, you'll receive a notification in line with your existing preferences. To recap, you log in, search and open the asset's chart or market page, tap the bell or add alert, enter your target price, and then click Set Alert. With this workflow, you can stay informed, react faster, and spend less time monitoring every tick. Thanks for watching and enjoy trading more efficiently with Capital.com price alerts.